When I was a little girl, my favorite thing to do was play with my treasure chest. I could magically transform to anything I dreamed of. The best dancer in the whole world! But my mom wanted me to be a pianist. In my kibbutz, only the most talented kids could go and play piano. But I didn't like it. Every time I kept putting it off. And when the night came, I was really sorry for myself. Because I had to go practice in house number 8, which was just next to the Bangle fig park. At daytime, it was the most amazing place. All the leaves did beautiful shade. But at night, it was the most frightening place in the whole world. But Mom didn't give up. Noah, your class is in 2 days and you haven't practiced even once. Can't be bothered. Noah, you know you have to do it. Because I'm warning you. You're always forcing me. And besides, I want to be a dancer. You? Enough with this dancing. You will never be a dancer. Don't you understand? Ooh! I slammed the door and I yelled at my mom. Just that you'll know, it's the last time I'm practicing. I went outside. It was really cold. But I must go to practice the piano. And I had to go next to the Bangle fig park. I went on my bike and started to ride really quick. I go to house number 8, threw the bike on the floor, put the light on, and went inside. Then I sat there and played the one tune I know by heart. The only tune I could be bothered learning. Then I started looking at the picture of the dancer on the wall. I love this picture. This dancer is so beautiful and delicate. And I imagined her dancing in her dancing hall. Then, I thought I heard something. The music from her dancing room. We started to dance together. I felt we are flying like butterflies. But then, I felt that it was too long and too late and I really had to go home. The dancer didn't understand. I'm really sorry, I must go home. So, I went back to the music room and the dancer went back to her picture. And I knew that if I want to go home, I must go through the Bangle fig park. I knew that this time, I had no choice. This time, I'm going in.